Okay, so on 13th November today, I took a trade. So first of all, let me do the analysis. So that the price was in an uptrend. You can see this was a massive move in the previous New York session, which caused the price to give us such a huge pump, and then this made a resistance. It came back, and then it basically created a higher low over here, and then it created a higher high over here, and then the price during the end of Asian session, it went into a consolidation phase. Once it went into a consolidation phase, so I basically only and only trade pre-London and the London Open. That is my only trading session. So I sat at the charts at 11 p.m. during this candle was being formed, and I looked at the charts previously, and analyzed that there is a consolidation phase. And why I have marked the zones over here, because if you scale down to the lower time frame on the M15, you can see that here are bodies. So sometimes what happened, basically I mark my zones only on the M30th time frame, but sometimes when there are huge wicks on M30, then I scale down to M15 to look for more price action. So if you look at the price action on M15, you guys can see there are solid candles over here. So that's the reason why I marked my zones over here. So if you now see the M30, so there was a consolidation phase. I sat at the charts here. I waited this candle, 30-minute candle, this 30-minute candle, this 30-minute candle, waited for almost 1.5 hours. And this candle went and closed above this resistance. This candle went and closed above this resistance. So all I was waiting for was that the next candle makes a low, and as soon as it starts to break this high, I'll enter. That was the only analysis, and the stop loss will be over here, right over here, beneath this low. So that is what I did. As soon as the price created a low, and to as soon as it started to break this high, I entered. I was slipped a bit because there was high volume, so my trade was executed uh, a bit up, but I'm like, I can't help it. So yeah, this is what happened. So I entered over here, and I just entered over here with a lot size of 0.25 lots, risking $50 and making around $189, as you guys can see over here. So I raised around 0.25, and the entry price was around 4220. The SL was 4218, 20 pip SL, and the TP was 4228. TP was hit, and that was it. And the price continued on moving up. So yeah, according to my strategy, I exit at 1 to 2, making 4% earlier. That's really nice. So now, right now, my funding account is up around 4%. So that's really good. So what I have basically concluded from my trading journal and all that shit, which I've done in the past. So all what I have concluded is that whenever I am using the M38 time frame only, I'm profitable. When I start to look for confluences on the M15 time frame, then sometimes I just don't execute correctly, because I get into two minds. I start looking at the M30 and I start looking at the M50. So there's no point in rushing trades, there's no point in forcing trades. So just wait for your setup. Right now I'm $230 up. Hopefully I'll pass this phase one, and then hopefully I'll pass the phase two of this account, and then I'll get a payout. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Today is 30th November 2025, and I was just watching some day in the life of a millionaire trader episode 8. TJR, you are a goat, man. I really like this guy. Just getting motivation from this guy. Although I don't use his strategy, but I just watch this guy for motivation. He's super cool. Yeah. So done for the day, done for the session. And now tomorrow is Friday. I might not trade tomorrow. I don't know. I might trade, but I'll trade tomorrow. But I'll be a bit conservative using my risks. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next trade recap. Done for the day. Done for the week. Maybe done for the week. I'll see tomorrow. I'll see if there's a good price action tomorrow. I'm gonna definitely trade tomorrow as well. Bye.